We've been in debt before and we coped. We need to go and get the post office open. At least try and do something about it.
You don't understand. There is nothing that can be done about it.
We can keep the business going and try to find a loan from someone.
From who? The bank? I mean, they cut us off a long time ago.
Must be someone in the family.
No. When we moved here, we were already on our way down. And then we just borrowed like idiots. We're finished, Shabnam. And the sooner we get used to it, the better. Just tell them to go away, please.
Some post for Mr. Masood. He's a tall, good-looking guy, apparently. Surprise.
Dad has a right to know how much trouble we're in, Mum.
Yeah, but it's not fair, is it? The minute he gets home, he finds out all this.
What, he's bankrupt?
Shh, keep your voice down.
Tell you what, I am starving. Can't wait for some proper food.
Well, we thought you wouldn't want anything too heavy after travelling.
No, of course not. This looks perfect. Honestly, Dad had this nurse looking after him. It was the worst cook ever.
So he's doing better then?
Yeah, Mum's looking after him now, so he's being spoilt rotten. Anyway, I want to know what you've been up to. The house is still standing, so that's good. What else? Oh, yeah. And, Dad's new house. It's amazing. He's given me big plans for this place. You know, I was thinking we should all go over there, like a proper holiday. You'd love it. Have we got any more spread?
There's still some in there. Just give it here. There, you see?
Maybe we should hoover up the crumbs and make a cake. Who wants more tea?
Come on, you've only just got back. Let me do it.
Tell me.